What god allows a goddess to steal his truest name? Isis watched the sun cross the sky each day. Perfect light, an unreadable face. She wanted not his brightness, she wanted the word beneath it. In the silence before dawn, she took spit and dust and formed a serpent. A thing with no name of its own, Ra walked his daily road through the fields. The serpent struck. Fire left his lips. Poison crawled through heaven. He cried out, and the gods came. None could heal what no one had named. Isis came last. She said she would not lift the poison until he spoke his secret name. The highest syllable, the hidden thing that bound him. At last the Lord of the gods whispered it. She caught it like water cupped in her palm. The poison left him. From that moment, Isis held the power of the sun itself. The serpent rests in the earth, waiting.